fucking men. Tony, Josh, Malcolm and his Noah's Ark second fucking coming.
I think they're quite cute.
No, they're not. They're fucking awful. Whoops.
Come on, Shell. Forget about them. Let's try and have fun, yeah? This is supposed to be happy hour. Check them out. And they want to buy us a drink.
We've got drinks.
Why am I a duck? It's not fair. You get to be the sexy cat on the prowl whilst I float around in a puddle getting stale bread thrown at me.
Yeah, but you're loved by old ladies and children.
Okay, well, at least I'm not the dog.
Yeah, that's true. Googly eyes, an erect tail, sausages.
And what? And Sid is so the frog.
Agreed.
So, as Sid the frog plans to sow his seed in the domesticated cat, Michelle.
An entirely different species, which the rules of nature prove is absolutely impossible.
And then there's Tony. Who's Tony? Ice.
Cold and transparent. Makes sense.
Okay, ice it is.
But Ice has completely different plans. Abigail and the Yayas.
Yeah, like I'm totally in love with your boyfriend. Why can't you understand that?
You cocksucking, shit-spouting horse fuckera! Chell, are we weird?
Yes. Tempted?
Very.
Go on. Go get them for us.
I can't go get them looking like this. So, it's very simple. Either you, stroke the pussy, or you fuck the duck.
I still don't see why I have to be the duck.
Ducky, are you having some problems accepting who you are? Oh, you don't believe in yourself. You can't take who you are. Oh, isn't that right, Ducky Duck?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. Where did they go?
Oh.
Were we not ladylike enough?
Maybe they weren't feeling our animal instinct.
They weren't feeling anything at all.
Look, tell me the truth. Does my beak look big in this?